Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Antminer S9 SE is probably one of the most sought-after Bitcoin mining hardware units for those looking to get into or expand their cryptocurrency mining operations, offering a balance of performance and energy efficiency that has made it a popular choice in the competitive landscape of digital asset extraction. This particular model has garnered attention for its robust design and its capability to mine Bitcoin and other SHA-256 algorithm cryptocurrencies effectively, making it a compelling option for both new and experienced miners seeking reliable and profitable equipment. Number 5. Noctua NF-P12 Redux 1700 PWM Fan. Introducing the Noctua NF-P12 Redux 1700 PWM, a high-performance cooling fan designed for optimal thermal management. This 120mm fan operates at up to 1,700 revolutions per minute, ensuring efficient cooling for your system. Building on the legacy of the renowned NF-P12, this fan boasts over 100 awards and recommendations. Join hundreds of thousands of satisfied users who trust its exceptional performance. Its pressure-optimized blade design delivers outstanding quietness of operation. Experience high static pressure and strong airflow, perfect for CPU coolers, radiators, or chassis ventilation. The 1,700 revolutions per minute 4-pin PWM version offers an excellent balance of performance and quietness. It supports automatic motherboard speed control, providing powerful airflow when needed and near-silent operation at idle. The streamlined Redux edition brings proven Noctua quality at an attractive price point. It also comes with a wide range of optional accessories for enhanced customization and functionality. With a mean time to failure (MTTF) of over 150,000 hours, this fan is built for long-lasting reliability. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your cooling solution is dependable. What we like. This fan offers exceptional static pressure and quiet operation, making it ideal for demanding cooling tasks. If you are looking for a reliable and award-winning cooling solution for your CPU cooler or radiator, this is a great choice. Its proven quality ensures long-term performance. What people say. The Antminer S9 SE is a popular choice for Bitcoin mining due to its balance of hash rate and power consumption. It features a robust design capable of sustained operation in demanding mining environments. The S9 SE offers a competitive hash rate for its generation, making it suitable for miners looking to enter the market with a reliable unit. Number 4. GDSTIME 120mm Dual Ball Bearing Cooling Fan. Experience superior cooling with our high-performance fan. Its robust design ensures efficient heat dissipation for your desktop. Built with dual ball bearings, this fan is engineered for longevity. Enjoy up to 50,000 hours of reliable operation. Achieve optimal airflow with a powerful 83.2 CFM rating. It effectively moves air to keep your system cool and stable. Operating within a wide voltage range from 5.5 V to 13.8 V, it offers flexibility. The rated voltage is 12 V for standard use. Despite its power, it operates quietly at 35.7 dBA. This ensures a focused and undisturbed computing experience. Featuring a standard XH2.54-2-pin connector and clear red-black wires, installation is straightforward. Please confirm size and voltage before purchase. What we like. With dual ball bearings for extended life and a high airflow rate, this fan is built for continuous operation. If you need a robust cooling solution for your desktop or other applications that require significant air movement, this fan delivers. Its wide operating voltage range offers flexibility. What people say. The Antminer S9 SE is a popular choice for Bitcoin mining due to its balance of hash rate and power consumption. It offers a respectable hash rate suitable for many home mining setups. The design is compact and relatively easy to set up for users familiar with mining hardware. Number 3. AC Infinity AIRPLATE T9 Cooling Fan System. Meet the AIRPLATE T9, an ultra-quiet cooling fan system designed to keep your AV cabinets at the optimal temperature without the noise. It features automated programming that intelligently self-adjusts its cooling power based on the ambient temperature, ensuring consistent performance. This system comes equipped with an LCD display, an alarm system, a display lock, 6 fan speeds, and memory settings for personalized control. Both the fan and controller are housed in CNC machined aluminum frames, offering a sleek, modern brushed black finish. Experience powerful cooling with an airflow of 156 CFM, all while maintaining a remarkably low noise level of just 21 dBA. Its compact dimensions of 17.28 by 6.3 by 1.3 inches make it a perfect fit for most home theater and AV cabinets. What we like. This cooling system provides automated, ultra-quiet cooling with intelligent thermostat control. If you have an AV cabinet or home theater setup where noise is a concern and precise temperature management is needed, this is the perfect solution. The LCD display offers convenient monitoring and control. What people say. The Antminer S9 SE is a highly efficient Bitcoin mining hardware. It has a compact design, making it easy to set up and manage. The unit operates with a hash rate of 16 THz, suitable for serious miners. Number 2. Bitmain Antminer APW7 1800W Power Supply. Meet the new APW7 Power Supply, an upgraded model designed for your mining needs. It offers a robust 1800W output, providing ample power for your devices. This new unit delivers 1800 watts, an improvement over previous models. You can expect to save more on your electricity bills thanks to its enhanced efficiency. It's the perfect choice for a variety of Antminer models, including the S9, L3 Plus, Z9 Mini, and many others. Ensure your miners are powered reliably. Safety is paramount. This power supply features automatic shut-off to protect your miners from circuit malfunctions or overheating. It ensures your equipment stays safe. Experience maximum output with 1000W at 110V, 120V and an impressive 1800W at 220V, 240V. It's built to handle demanding tasks. This is a genuine Bitmain product, ensuring quality and performance. It's the reliable solution you need for your cryptocurrency mining setup. What we like. This power supply offers a substantial 1800W output and supports both 110V and 220V input, making it versatile. If you are powering multiple or high-demand ASIC miners, this unit provides the necessary power and efficiency. Its automatic protection features ensure the safety of your equipment. What people say. The Antminer S9 SE is a popular choice for Bitcoin mining due to its balance of hash rate and power consumption. It offers a respectable hash rate suitable for many home mining setups. The design is compact, making it relatively easy to integrate into existing mining rigs or set up in a dedicated space. Number 1. 6500 revolutions per minute replacement fan for Antminer models. Ensure optimal performance for your Antminer with this powerful 6500 revolutions per minute fan. It's designed to keep your equipment running cool under pressure. This replacement fan is compatible with a wide range of Antminer models, including the S9, S17, and D7 series. It's the perfect upgrade for various ASIC miners. Built with quality brushless technology, this fan offers reliable and long-lasting operation. It's engineered for demanding mining environments. Featuring standard 120 by 120 by 38 mm dimensions, it fits seamlessly into your existing setup. The 24 cm cable with a 4-pin plug ensures easy installation. This is a direct replacement for your original fan, providing the same or better cooling efficiency. Please note that screws are not included. Experience superior heat dissipation with its high RPM motor. This fan is essential for maintaining the longevity and efficiency of your mining hardware. What we like. Boasting an impressive 6500 revolutions per minute and a thicker 38 mm design, this fan is engineered for maximum cooling performance. If you are specifically looking to replace a fan on an Antminer ASIC model like the S9 or L3 Plus, this high-speed option will provide the intense airflow needed to keep your miners from overheating. It's designed for the most demanding environments. What people say. The Antminer S9 SE is a popular choice for Bitcoin mining due to its balance of hash rate and power consumption. It features a compact design making it suitable for home or small-scale mining operations. The unit is known for its relative ease of setup and operation compared to some other mining hardware. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.